If you're looking to shed those extra pounds and feel amazing in just 1 month, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 3 powerful smoothie recipes that can help you lose 15 pounds fast. These aren't just any smoothies. They're specially crafted to boost your metabolism, curb your appetite, and get those fat-burning engines running. Listen, we're not messing about here. This isn't some wishy-washy diet plan. This is about giving your body the tools it needs to burn fat, feel fantastic, and get you looking your absolute best. We're talking fresh, natural ingredients packed with vitamins, minerals, and all the good stuff that's going to supercharge your weight loss journey. Stick around to see how you can transform your body with just a blender and a few key ingredients. All right, you lot, let's get down to business. Today, we're diving into the world of morning smoothies, and trust me, this is going to be a game changer for your daily routine. Our first smoothie is a real game changer. The Metabolism Booster. It's not just any smoothie, it's a powerhouse designed to kickstart your day with a burst of energy and nutrients. This isn't some sugary concoction that'll leave you craving more. No, this is the real deal, packed with ingredients that will keep you satisfied and energized. This is a powerhouse of nutrients, designed to fire up your metabolism and get you burning fat from the moment you wake up. Imagine starting your day with a drink that fuels your body and mind. First up, we need a good handful of spinach. Spinach is a superfood, loaded with vitamins and minerals that are essential for your health. Don't even think about using that wilted, sad-looking stuff at the back of the fridge. Freshness is key here. We need fresh, vibrant spinach, packed with iron and fiber. This will not only boost your energy, but also keep your digestive system in check. Trust me, this green machine is going to have you feeling energized and ready to tackle the day. It's like a shot of vitality in a glass. Next, we're adding a green apple, not too ripe, mind you. The tartness of the apple will balance the flavors perfectly. We want that slight tartness to cut through the spinach and give it a bit of zing. It's all about creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Plus, green apples are low in calories and packed with fiber, keeping you fuller for longer and preventing those mid-morning cravings. It's a win-win. Now for a bit of hydration and healthy fats, we're adding half a cucumber and half an avocado. These ingredients are not only nutritious but also add a refreshing taste. Cucumber is like nature's own energy drink, replenishing those electrolytes and keeping you hydrated. It's perfect for maintaining your body's balance. And avocado? Don't even get me started on avocado. It's a superfood that adds creaminess and a host of healthy fats to keep you satisfied. It's creamy, it's delicious, and it's loaded with healthy fats that keep you satisfied and your hunger at bay. Plus, it gives the smoothie a rich texture. Finally, a squeeze of lemon juice. This little addition packs a punch of vitamin C and aids in digestion. A burst of vitamin C, a kickstart to your digestion, and a flavor that'll wake up your taste buds. It's the perfect finishing touch. This isn't just a smoothie, it's a wake-up call to your metabolism. It's a blend of ingredients that work together to fuel your body. Now, chuck all of that into your blender, add a cup of water or coconut water, depending on how adventurous you're feeling, and blitz it until it's smooth and vibrant. The choice of liquid can add an extra layer of flavor. No chunks, no bits, just pure green goodness. It's a smooth, refreshing drink that you'll look forward to every morning. This, my friends, is the Metabolism Booster, a perfect blend to start your day on the right note. Drink it first thing in the morning, and I guarantee you'll be feeling lighter, brighter, and ready to take on the world. It's the ultimate morning ritual for a healthier you. Next up, we're tackling that sweet tooth with the Berry Fat Burner, a delightful concoction that will satisfy your cravings while helping you shed those extra pounds. This isn't some sugary nightmare that'll send your blood sugar levels soaring and leave you feeling guilty. This is a delicious, guilt-free treat that's packed with antioxidants and designed to torch those stubborn fat stores, making it a perfect addition to your healthy lifestyle. First on the list, we have a cup of mixed berries, nature's candy that's both sweet and nutritious. Think strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, a rainbow of flavor and antioxidants that will make your taste buds dance. These little powerhouses are low in calories but high in fiber, keeping you full and satisfied while fighting off those nasty free radicals that can damage your cells. Next up, we're adding a cup of Greek yogurt, a creamy addition that brings a rich texture to our smoothie. None of that sugary, fruit on the bottom nonsense here. We want plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, packed with protein to keep you feeling full and your muscles fueled, aiding in muscle recovery and growth. Now, For a bit of omega-3 action, we're adding a tablespoon of chia seeds, tiny but mighty. Don't let their size fool you. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with fiber and healthy fats that keep you feeling satisfied and your metabolism humming along smoothly. Finally, a splash of almond milk to bring it all together, adding a subtle nutty flavor. We're talking unsweetened almond milk, none of that sugary stuff that can derail your healthy efforts. Just a touch to loosen up the mixture and give it that creamy, dreamy texture that makes every sip a delight. Blitz it all up until it's smooth, creamy, and bursting with berry goodness. A vibrant blend that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. This is the Berry Fat Burner, your secret weapon against cravings and a delicious way to boost your weight loss journey, making healthy eating both enjoyable and effective. Chapter 3. Tropical Slimmer. Escape to paradise while you shrink your waistline. Imagine yourself on a sun-kissed beach, the sound of waves gently lapping at the shore, and a refreshing breeze caressing your skin. Finally, we're jetting off to a tropical paradise with the Tropical Slimmer. This isn't just a drink, it's an experience, a journey to a healthier you. This isn't your average sugary cocktail. This is a taste of the tropics that's low in calories, high in flavor, and designed to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Imagine sipping on this delightful concoction while lounging under a palm tree. First up, we're talking pineapple. This tropical fruit is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Half a cup of fresh, juicy pineapple packed with vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and helps reduce bloating. It's like a mini vacation for your digestive system. We're not just talking about flavor here, we're talking about giving your body the tools it needs to feel its best. Pineapple is a powerhouse of nutrients that support your overall well-being. Next, we're adding half a cup of mango. This vibrant fruit is a staple in tropical diets for a reason. Sweet, juicy mango bursting with flavor and fiber, it's like a tropical dance party in your mouth. Mango is a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess water weight and keep you feeling light and energized. It's the perfect ingredient to keep you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Now for a bit of creaminess and potassium, we're adding half a banana. This humble fruit is a nutritional powerhouse. Bananas are a great source of natural energy and help to replenish electrolytes lost through sweat, making them the perfect addition to this tropical delight. They add a creamy texture that makes the smoothie even more satisfying. And for a final boost of fiber and healthy fats, we're adding a tablespoon of flax seeds. These tiny seeds pack a big punch. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients and help to promote satiety, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. They add a subtle nutty flavor that complements the tropical fruits perfectly. Finally, we're blending it all up with a cup of coconut water. This isn't just any water, it's nature's sports drink. Hydrating, refreshing, and naturally sweet coconut water is the perfect way to complete this tropical masterpiece. It adds a light, refreshing taste that ties all the flavors together. This, my friends, is the Tropical Slimmer, a drink that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also supports your health and wellness journey. A delicious, guilt-free way to indulge your senses while you shrink your waistline. So take a sip, close your eyes, and let the flavors transport you to a tropical paradise. There you have it. 3 powerful smoothies that can help you lose up to 15 pounds in just 1 month. By incorporating these smoothies into your daily routine, you're not just enjoying great flavors, but also giving your body the support it needs to shed those pounds and feel fantastic. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to what these satisfied customers have to say.
I've been drinking these smoothies for a few weeks now, and I've already lost 10 pounds. The recipes are easy to make and taste amazing.
The Metabolism booster is my favorite. It keeps me full all morning and has really helped me cut down on snacking.
I love the Tropical Slimmer. Such a refreshing treat. Plus, I've noticed a big difference in my energy levels and weight.
Give these recipes a try and let us know how they work for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health and success. If you find this video interesting and helpful, feel free to click on my other videos in this channel to gain more information that will assist you along your weight loss journey.